Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making fried pickles. All right, so here's a quick pick of the ingredients. Make sure you check the description box for the details. All right, we're gonna get started by seasoning our flour. So go ahead and pour some flour in a bowl, and I'm gonna throw in some Creole, some Red Pepper Flakes, some Cajun, and some Frank's Red Hot seasoning. But go ahead if you prefer to use your own spicy seasonings or whatever you have on hand. All right, now give your flour a good mix to make sure all the seasonings are well blended. Right now we're gonna crack 1 egg into a bowl and then mix in just a tad bit of milk. All right, now we're gonna crush up our chips. Now I've already opened up the bag and started eating some, so I just gotta use what's left. But I'm gonna use my processor to go ahead and crush up these chips. You can use a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin to crush them also if you would like. And as you see me here pouring the chips into the bowl once they're all finely crushed. All right, now when you're done with this, it is now time to assemble our pickles. Okay, so it's gonna go flour, egg batter, then chips, and then we're gonna do a second coating to go back in the egg batter and then the chips again. So here we go, the flour first. Then make sure you shake off the excess flour. Right, dip it into your egg batter and flip it a few times to make sure it's coated. And go straight into the chip crumbs. And you're gonna press that firmly into the chip crumbs to make sure it's fully coated. Then, like I said, we're gonna coat these 2 times. So go back to the egg batter and then back into the chips. This makes sure that you have a nice, crispy, crunchy coating. And I'm gonna set the pickle on my plate to rest. If you've watched my previous videos, you know I love letting my food rest so that the coating really sets in and sticks to it. All right, I'm going to show you a few more and then I'll come back and show you once I'm done coating all the pickles. Now here's how the pickles look after being coated. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and preheat my air fryer. A quick cleanup tip: line your air fryer pan with aluminum foil for quick cleanup. And I'm gonna spray my air fryer with some Pam or nonstick cooking spray and put it in for 390 degrees for 3 minutes to warm up. Right, now that it's done preheating, I'm going to assemble my pickles in the pan in a single layer. Be careful while putting them in the pan, will be very hot. Right, now I'm going to spray it with a bit more non-stick cooking spray, or you can use Pam, and just give them a nice light coating. And I'm going to stick them in the air fryer at 390 degrees for 10 minutes. Halfway through, I'm going to take them out and flip them, and then put them back in the air fryer for the last 5 minutes. If you find during this time that they're done enough for you, go ahead and leave them out and go ahead and eat them. But I like mine to be super crunchy, so I'm going to leave them in for the last 5 minutes. All right, and they're done. Look at that. They look so delicious. All right, I'm gonna take them out and plate them and then show you once I'm done. These will pair really well with a side of cheese and lime.